being irritable.
Oh, you're good, aren't you? You're good.
Getting angry.
Just calm down, mate. Look at him. Oh. That's unreal, isn't it? Look at this. That is great. Got that one?
Dobro, pogreši.
Ti mater da ti jebem u pičku slepačku.
Ne, razumijem da je stao tu pored i da je dao migavac, ali... Dobro, Marko, nemoj...
Fucking idiot.
Oh! Woohoo! The fuck?
Yeah. My voice been quite bombed. You drove the wrong way. Sure did.
Well, and just look at the purity of it.
Oh.
That's what you did. Just look at
Recording started.
what this is going to look like when it's rolling down Church Street. Look at that. What you
You fucking donkey!
की दूसरे के वर्क परमिट जो है उसका मतलब ऐसा है कि तू पहले एक कंपनी की जॉब ऑफर लई ले एक्सेप्ट कर પછી એ જોબ લે કંપની की जॉब ऑफर લઈ લે एक्सेप्ट कर પછી એ जॉब ऑफर એને गवर्नमेंट ने बताया कि मैं जो ऑफर એને गवर्नमेंट ने बताया कि मैं जो तो फिर
no right turn, you fucking spastic.
A new report has found Australian girls and young women are harassed and abused online more than the global average. The charity Plan International surveyed 14,000 girls and young women aged 15 to 25 around the world. 2/3 of the 1,000 Australian respondents said they've been exposed to behaviour like body shaming and
Yeah.
Got that phone call. I just thought, oh look, how about we just wait until we see what happens.
Yeah. Hello. That was empty, thankfully.
What the fuck is that?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Yeah, fucking, you idiot. You idiot. What a dipstick.
See the look on their faces of the people in the game.
Yeah. What was the name of the business on that? Can you remember the time? What's the time? 13:27. I'm going to put that up.
Live view.
From being leave, what did you find, mate? Accidental bargain.
Accidentally come across an ovation guitar that belonged to Cat Stevens in a cash converter.
How do you know it belonged to Cat Stevens?
Get fucked. Hurry up! Why would you do it here? This fucking bike is riding in the fucking not a lane.
On the hard shoulder. What do you expect? Oh, is that the...
There's literally so many of them.
Oh, really? Oh, nice. We just got done that show. We got wow. Wow. What a dick. Red light.
To an awards night, because I mean to a comedy routine, because people are conspicuous. There's lights on for occupational health and safety.
When I'm weak sometime in June, I'll say, take me back to the sweet times of the night. Everything is gonna be alright.
Pulled back and got up, and there was a grenade in the ground. So he's taken it into the local cop shop, and they've all hit the deck, shit themselves, think he's going to blow the place up. Everyone was in lockdown until the bomb squad turned up so they could sort out what was going to happen with it.
Wow.
And it turned out to be a live grenade. It was actually still live. It was like he hit the base of the grenade, not the top, otherwise he could have been not here today.
Oh, he is lucky.
Wow.
Moon Man in the morning. Got the Moon Man in the morning. Sydney's 104.9 Triple M.
Spring into WorkScene to see their latest range of workwear. Visit workscene.com.au.
A lot of sex. Well done. And oh, Tom, what do you bite those? What are they? What's
In the dark of night.
Get right away, you spastic. Go. Fuck me. How dumb do you have to fucking be?
home right now, which a lot of you guys
Why do you need to be in that fucking
You're at the right place. Because the story in Spain about a triathlon that's happening over there.
Yeah, she started throwing in a few comedic lines there we weren't expecting. We got a round of our news coming up, and we'll wrap up the show with your last calls on 131065.
Kyle and Jackie O. Tomorrow at 8, Grand Denya.
At roundabout, take the first exit.
Yes.
There's the tyres. See? There's the dog's nose. There's the tyres.
It's not its nose.
Yes, it is. You can't tell? Why are you squinting? Open your eyes up fully.
Motherfucker.